We're live. We're live. I know it's not 11:30, but I see some people hopping in here. So already got my eyes on some. Sorry, fuck. I think we're solid, guys. What's up, Ad something? Sorry, I don't know how to read your name. What's up, Cartoony? How you been? How's your day today? Appreciate you joining up. But again, already looking at what is your last name on to do. Fuck no. I would not leak my last name. Maybe later on. Like I have no problem with it. Like I don't got like fucking knobs or anything. But I have a very strange last name. It's different for sure. Yeah, y'all gotta wait for that. What's it called? How you been though? How's everyone been? What are you guys looking at? Yeah, can't name drop this yet. You guys will probably. I don't know. I don't know if I ever dropped my last name like that. Celebrity guy? No. I wish I was a celebrity. No, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna be a celebrity. What's up, Try J? Trij? How you doing, bro? I want to see what's happening as we kind of get closer to London. I'm looking for a play. Honestly, I think Jer is going to facilitate some sort of pullback. And right now, I'm really just waiting for a breakout here with some volume. I'm actually liking that price is stuttering here. I would like to honestly see it stutter until 5 minutes before London Open, if not right before London Open, because I would like to see price break this with that volume from London Open. So I don't want to take a trade too early. But again, we'll see. Like I might end up hopping in for a little one-on-one. Again, conviction, imbalance. Not only that, we are or did make a bullish leg, so I can kind of infer that price is going to come down, facilitate some type of pullback, maybe even pull deep into these areas down here. Why is this shit tweaking? And we'll see from there. Yo, what's up, Matt? Try to say my name, Nick. It is Ad Wathu Shrova. That's cap. No way, that's your name. That's crazy. Is it? That's crazy. Now, but we'll see what we can get on Jer. UK 100. I'm liking how it's playing right now. What I'm thinking is the general same bias is we swept Tokyo highs. We just created a new bullish leg. I'm expecting price to pull back. Again, we need confirmation, but what I'm expecting to see right now, and which I would really like, is if price were to, why the fuck is this shit tweaking? I want price to sweep this high, and then once we kind of come back down and break this low, hopefully it's around New York, or not New York Open, London Open, and I can look to sell at that point. Kind of following the same bias as Jer. So why is it doing this? So we'll see. But I think we'll get that sweep. Which again, like I would like to see that. Jer kind of has not like the best sweep, I'd say, but a decent sweep, right? Maybe if we get another sweep of this high and then price sold off and broke that low, that'd be awesome to see. That we can hop in for some sells. I'm back on my daily EU. Yeah. So what I'm thinking for EU right now is we're going to get a pullback of this leg. I was expecting it last night, and I was talking to you guys about it last night, but didn't enter in on anything. As soon as price breaks this high here, I could see myself looking for a buying opportunity, but at the same time, I don't think I will, only because once we break that high, we'll most likely be coming into the equilibrium, which means price actually doesn't have to continue to buy up at that point. And there's really not much imbalance or any other like areas of interest that's giving me further conviction to continue to buy up. So I think I'm gonna let this one play out. I do think this is what's gonna happen is we're gonna play up into this pullback, make a new low, and then from there I can look to either capitalize on this continuation or later on in this another pullback, right? Got BTC holdings, not like a crazy amount. 1 point I sold everything. Or like a lot of it. But like GJ, Same thing, just kind of waiting for a confirmation, waiting for a break of a low, preferably this one here. Again, we made a new high, so we technically should continue to trade higher into here, and we may, and you guys could look to capitalize on that. But one thing I don't like is how over bought we are. We are coming into a daily supply, therefore we could just sell off at this point. So taking this trade with this far extended, I have certain rules behind that. If you want to take it, but um, like it looks like a good setup. You have a nice demand. You have some liquidity being built up. You know, it may be worth taking it as price comes into this zone. But the way I would treat it is I would enter off a limit one, but as soon as price hits a 101, I would move to break even. But there's a chance price does even hit that 101, you know. So, but as soon as price hits 101, I'd move to break even. I don't think I'm enter this trade though. Like I can if it's my criteria as far as like it's just what throws me off is how overextended we are. And I know at some point we're going to need a pullback, and I don't want to be caught in that initial trap because that could be, you know, again, price broke here to begin with, so it should have sold off from there. It didn't, but it's kind of indicating to me that price could continue to sell off, right? So we'll see. Can you say "gandu everyone"? It's how you say hello in my home language, my brother. "Gandu everyone." I feel like it's not like fucking with me. I'm really excited for the open. Forex has been slow. Like I'm tempted to take these, but I'm just gonna not because I just have a feeling I'm gonna get caught in a trap. But then it's gonna suck if like I come back later and it did play out. You know, because again, it does have the possibility, but you gotta weigh in other factors, right? GA is fucked for now, I think, until we break lows, and then I can look to capitalize on a pullback. Other than that, we're really just kind of focused in on JAR, which I stopped looking at. Like if volume takes this low, I may just enter even before London Open. Sweep that high, enter here. Maybe we get two setups tonight. We'll see. GG feels too volatile. Yeah, I don't know. Like these look clean, but I think price is going to facilitate a pullback unless price is just super bullish. But I just don't think that's the case. We just filled in a good area, a good gap. Just came into this area here. We don't really have much more to pull up into. So unless price were to continue higher and totally make a flip on the higher time frames and make a new bullish leg, which then will capitalize back down. You know, so we'll see. Bro, GG's anything volatile. GG's not too bad. People, there's news. Fuck, I didn't do yesterday. Wait, what? Tweaking. Where'd it go? 25 people in here. Run up the likes, guys. 2 likes. Like, that's what I mean by everyone's coming from my fucking Instagram and lurking right now. Which, again, appreciate all of you, but, like, damn. Like it out at least. At least, like, lurk all you want, but, fuck. But again, like, no news. Let's see tomorrow. News at 5:30, so we're good to get some good trades in tonight. But kind of be ready for sales, guys. I mean, it could happen sooner than later. And I could look to just target this entire move, catch a 1 or 2. Yeah, about a 1 or 2. Let's see what happens. Anyone looking at anything else? GU, anything? You're looking at yesterday's news. Yeah, I was for a second. I realized. But tomorrow we're still good. 5:30 a.m. AUD all day. I'm not worried about that. Today's NFP Friday. Is it? Oh, it is. You're right. So we might be a little bit I'm not gonna be hesitant. I'm gonna shoot, to be honest. If I see opportunity, I'm gonna shoot. I'm really waiting on Jared right now. Ready. Fingers on the trigger. What time frame do you look for break a structure to confirm pullbacks on hard time frame? It depends. Like when it comes to like forex, like you got to remember like there's pullbacks on every time frame. So like the weekly time frame, if you go down to the daily and the 4 hour, you can find a pullback. You know, like let's go to Euro USD, right? This is the weekly time frame, bullish, right? So we go up here, but keep in mind that weekly time frame could be a pullback on the monthly time frame, which it is. You know, this is the leg that we're trading within on the monthly. We're technically in a pullback on the monthly, but this is where multi-time frame analysis comes in and like actually being able to understand it. So like going down to the weekly, then we have this bullish leg, so we can expect the daily and the 4 hour to now be considered one internal structure, and two, obviously once it flips to the downside, then we can consider that a pullback. But in the meantime, obviously that's a really, really high time frame to trade. Then I would break it down even further and kind of find areas of, you know, you know, like 4 hour legs, which it would be this leg, and trade within this leg. And then I drop down to the 30-15. And then from there, I would look for areas where as soon as price flips here and it's flip structure or changes character, then I could look for a possible pullback into price, which you can actually capitalize on once again, another pullback if you drop down to the 1 and 5 minute and look to capitalize on that. But I feel like that's sometimes too low of a time frame. It just depends on how you want to trade though. Just depends, just depends. But again, like you can even go as far down to the 30 second. It's because you got to realize like I always forget exactly how to say it and I hate it. Like no matter what, you're trading within a pullback in some way, shape, or form. I feel like depending, it just you may not be looking at the high enough or low enough time frame. It's usually high enough, high time frame, but I don't know. I think I said that saying totally wrong. So as you can see, like there's pullbacks on multiple time frames. It's just about understanding multi-time frame analysis and all that. So I was been a W fucking week. I can't lie. I gotta go out this weekend or something. Something. We didn't sweep that high yet. I still think we're gonna sweep it, but we'll see. AUD CAD. Actually, I kind of want to wait for this. Something tells me we're gonna enter soon, so maybe not. Jeez, we missed you in the mentorship today. I was wondering where you're at. AUD CAD, I don't know. I don't like AUD CAD, so I don't even know how I'd be playing it. It's just really chopped price right here, almost moving sideways. So I wouldn't even trade it personally, at least right now. Like lower time frames maybe looking at. Do you rolling it? Do you maybe needling or some nose white? Oh, brother, yeah, this is so fun. What? Are you asking if I do drugs? Could just say that. No, I'd say I don't do drugs. Fuck, no, I'm too young. I should though, huh? No, it's crazy. Crazy statement. I wasn't thinking right now. Sorry. Nick, sorry, what we look like a wired guy from movies. What does that mean, cartoony? What the fuck? We're getting closer, guys. We'll see what happens right now. What's up, Lalo? How we doing? Looks nice. I know. It actually does look really nice. Looks like we could find ourselves selling. I wanted to sweep here. It's fine. We didn't really need it. I mean, we have like a minor sweep here, but I'm just kind of expecting that push of volume to fill in this area, right? So super simple, especially also because we swept Tokyo highs, Asia highs, whatever the fuck you want to call them. Swept those highs, so we can expect price to do what it always does in other areas of liquidity. Let's see if we can catch another Drake on here. Another Drake is crazy. That shit actually made me laugh the other night. I can't lie to you. It really did make me laugh. What's up? Awesome. How about you? I'm good. I'm good, Lalo. I can't complain, bro. I'm alive. Like, wake up every day and fucking get to do whatever I want. So, can't complain, man. What's up, Jocko? Just in time. Are you thinking Jer sells or like, no? We got to be careful here, guys. I mean, price could sweep lows and then just shoot up, but I don't think that's the case just because there's not a lot of liquidity sitting above, right? So, we can only assume that price should hunt areas below. And you guys already know, there's a lot of manipulation seen during London, especially when it comes around manipulating Asia highs and lows. We're doing UK 100 reroll today. I might have to. What I'm thinking though, I want to see a sweep of this high. I really do, especially with this push up. Looks like sells, but a bit too obvious. But yeah, I know. I want to see a sweep, and then I would still have to wait for price to sell back off. Again, we could end the losing streak. I mean, not the losing streak, end the winning streak here with the loss. When I meet you in real life next, I'm getting my fit. That's crazy. I don't even know what to say to that, cartoony. I really don't. Seems like you're locked in on Jer. Honestly, yeah. Well, I'm locked in on Forex too, but Forex is just like I don't need to like I'm not at the charts like this looking at Forex. I go on my fucking phone, I go on my MacBook, I go on whatever it is, look at my charts. If I see something, I set a limit. If I don't, walk away. I go work out. I go do some fucking bullshit. You know, go play basketball. Go do something. But then when it comes to Jared, like this is where I actually have to be here, sitting here. So, guys, I want price to stutter before London Open, and it's a little bit riskier, but I feel like that extra volume is gonna be needed. Come to hate trading open Nas. Yeah, Nas and US 30 are way different, but you can still back out. Look, guys, I'm gonna put my broker. You guys wanna? With this broker, like you guys can either pick like no commissions or all spreads. Honestly, it's fire. You guys know about it because of Luca, but you guys need to fucking tap in. Honestly, especially if you're trading live money, I really don't think you should be trading anything else. You always lose. Yeah, I mean it's rough. Like honestly, Juice, don't give up on it because I kid you not, I have homies that are trading US 30 and NAS at the open. They don't trade exactly like Mamba. They said they added something different. I've yet to like meet with them and kind of go over what they're doing, but they're up like $14,000 this week. I mean, this month they haven't lost a trade this month. I think they've traded like at least 10 to 15 trades this month. So they're fucking killing it. So don't give up on it. You just really make sure you're going into the data. Make sure you're actually learning from your losses, man. Because they're about to get a massive fucking payout here soon, and honestly, it makes me so fucking happy. I put these guys on trading, and honestly, there's no better feeling than seeing your boys win. It's fucking awesome. Favorite female trader looks. This is some crazy questions. I don't even know, man. I don't be paying attention like that. Like I don't like when it comes to social media. Like yeah, I'm on social media and I look at like some shit, but I just like post and just kind of stay off social media. Big factor chart time will give you the experience and sometimes like gut feeling. Yeah, I guess like intuition, market experience, because like honestly, I've just been shooting and it's all based off market experience and understanding really price action too, but also like market behavior and candle patterns can be like a big one too. Fuck, did we not sweep this high? Or did we? I think we barely missed it. What in the actual fuck? Yeah, we missed it. That's fucked. Let's see if we can get it. My mouse is trippy, man. So other mouse is fucked. So I unplugged it. I had an extra mouse. Thought the extra mouse is fine. It seems to be fucked. I think I have one more mouse I can try, but I really don't want to get it. Man, everything's starting to fucking bust. Gotta go get a whole new setup here soon. Institution factor, I read that. Guys, I might be hopping in here soon. Can't lie to you. I could be looking for more than 101, which would be nice. Check out Nas this morning. Like on Nas, I definitely would have sold, but price instantly like reversed. I feel like I wouldn't have got the 101 and would have been tapped out if I had tight stop losses. So yeah, I just stopped trading Nasdaq, guys. It's really about UK 100 and the German 30. All right, 10 minutes, guys. We might hit another banger and then I'm just out here. Just fucking gone. What the fuck happened in chat? My shit straight. I think we're good. All right, we're good. Yeah. Got scared for a second. I'm not in sales, by the way, guys. I'm still waiting. I don't think I'm in. Waiting for a breakout here. You guys should know this by now. I feel like I talk too much. Man, I'm the only interactor. Now you're good, bro. Keep interacting. I don't find an issue with that. A lot of these people could be ignorant. A lot of these people are just lurking. I kid you not. Kid you not. But they're still here watching. So we'll see right now once we get a W. Chat will hopefully go crazy. Or if we get another Drake, you gotta hit a blinker. we hit another Drake, nah, that can't be a saying. I feel like that's crazy. I go smoke a joint. Chill. We do some work and then go to bed. I gotta make a YouTube video. I gotta make a vlog. My homie just got a really fucking nice camera. So I'm on pay his ass to come and film me. 6 minutes left. I know. I'm just kind of jonesing. Just because I know price is probably gonna sell off here. Catch a quick one. Just gone. How'd you guys feel if like caught a quick 101? Said I'm out and it's alright, bye. Alright, bye. Didn't say nothing. Gone. I did stream. That's just how. Might go live at 11:59. Try to be off in 10 minutes. Cool. Less entertaining, but for sure. What the fuck is that? I don't know what that is. Yeah, ZK 100's not looking good right now. I'm still thinking sells, but like this area here, I wish we would have got like another area of like support. Something. Fuck. No. You ever heard of a shisha or hookah? Oh, hookah? Yeah. I'll smoke hookah. I'll smoke hookah. Like I don't do it like a regular. Like I don't even think I haven't smoked hookah in years, but like I'm not saying I wouldn't opt out. Like if it was there, like we're at a restaurant chilling, whatever, just had dinner. I feel like the vibes have to be right. Like there's one time I did go to a hookah lounge after dinner with Luca, and like we just kind of left because it was like the vibes were like Middle Eastern, which nothing was wrong with that, but it was just like I don't know, it wasn't like what we wanted. Pass me the hookah, I know. Don't worry, I will. Nah, I kind of want to go to now that I'm 21, I can actually go to the hookah lounge, but I don't even know if I'd really be down for all that. Kind of crazy. Is Luca like a father figure for you? No, but he's definitely like a mentor, man. He's like Luca's definitely a friend slash mentor. Um, like I mean, if like he's definitely has a lot more experience, one in trading and two in just like the content and like social media scene. So like when it comes to kind of all of that, like yeah, like I mean, you know, he's like a mentor, but still kick with him like a friend. I mean, still cool. But how I met him's pretty cool, not gonna lie. I say Luca. Like I had like I never really had a mentor like Luca. Yeah, Luca's my mentor. Like actual mentor. Like I've bought people's courses when I really first started, but that's not mentoring. That's just like buying a course and applying like what they're doing and maybe seeing their signals, whatever. But yeah, like Luca's a mentor in like all aspects and just a friend in general, but he's cool. Like one thing I can say to everyone, just like get yourself out there. Like I wouldn't have met Luca if I didn't tell myself like day in day out, even before like even like months, years before meeting Luca, I would tell myself like just get out there, network, and meet people because from an early age I like knew my network is my going to be my net worth. you guys kind of hear that everywhere you go, but I took it serious and really got out there. Ended up meeting him at a meetup, and and now look at me. So it's just you know. But again, like just get out there. You never know who you're gonna meet, and you never know what's gonna happen. Because like honestly, there's some really big things coming this year that um, quite literally probably are life changing for me. So and I can honestly say it's because I met Luca. But again, it's takes work. It takes actually fucking. If I wasn't as prepared as I was when I met Luca, if I didn't already put in the work, I wouldn't be in this position right now. It's just because I wouldn't have made the impression that I did. That makes sense. So again, like biggest thing, get out there, and then once you get out there, like just be prepared. Just like work your fucking ass off no matter what. Even when the opportunity feels like it's never gonna come, because you never know when it's gonna come in, at least when it's least expected. Fuck this bullish push here actually pisses me off. One thing is I was expecting a push lower, and I still am for the open. What does Mamba FX think of you? I've met Mamba. I've been in his house. I've chilled with him, kinda. Um, but I never really had a conversation with him. It was kind of just he was always in the room. He's very quiet, very to himself. Like Mamba seems like he's very outgoing. But haven't had a conversation with him. But I know pretty soon, hopefully, I'll get to meet him and actually talk to him for a little bit. But he kind of like a week or two ago, he viewed my profile because he liked my story, and then he just like didn't follow me. And I was like, gosh, I was like, you could at least, you know, but I don't care, like again, like, but that's another thing that's so cool is like I wouldn't have met Mamba or know Mamba, or be able to work with Mamba in the future if it wasn't because of Luca. I am not buying, guys. I'm not. You can if you want, but I'm not buying. Even if it's a no trade day. Price damn well could continue to fly up, but I have a feeling it's not. And if it does, no well. Who gives a fuck? Same at UK 30. If we start seeing structure being broken lower, I might just hop in on both and just shoot. We took liquidity on Jarrett. We pushed down the volume. I'm hopping in. I'll check AUD USD right now. Just give me like 10 minutes or a couple minutes to kind of see what price ends up doing. I just don't want to get distracted. What do you ask for when I get a haircut? I asked for a high tipper. Honestly, I felt like he could have done a little bit better this time. He usually does me right. I felt like it was a little too high. I asked for a high taper. He did a little bit higher than usual. I was like, guys, price just may continue to push higher. And at that point, do we take a bias at a break of this high? We could. We might. But that could be the sweep. I was kind of expecting this area to hold, but we could have been hit with this, where price just wanted to liquidate these lows, and then now we're pushing higher, so that could be it. We'll see though. UK 100 is definitely pushing here. Could have gotten for a 101, not gonna lie, if you wanted to at this break. Guys, I still have faith in sales. Even if we come up and sweep this high, I'm not getting in buys. UK 100 is looking solid, but what's up with that tattoo? What tattoo? I got a couple tattoos. No trade yet, guys. You don't have FOMO for FTSE? Fuck no. I don't have FOMO for anything. Overcame that fuck shit. I mean, just not worth it. I mean, it's not going to do me any good. I think sales are going to hit here. I think price is going to liquidate some high. And my biggest like reason behind thinking that is because there's not a lot of liquidity up here. I mean, there's minor liquidity. I think price could end up sweeping, coming lower. If I get a good print to the downside, fuck, I'm gonna hop in, you know. Um, Again, we're getting that pullback here. I like that. If price ends like that, which would be nice, then we could see a break lower, hop in for 1 or 2, catch a fucking banger trade, end stream. Yeah, sounds like a good night, except for the fact that, you know, no, never mind. Yeah, that's a good um wick here. Why we're patient. Price on the trend line now. For what? For Jer? What are you looking for right now? Buys or sells? Jocko. Okay, real fucking talk. If I catch sells here, and we actually win again, and there's 32 of you in here, and there's still 9 fucking likes, I'm not gonna stream any fucking more. Swear to God. Like, stop lurking. Like this shit, because we're about to catch another fucking W. Fuck Jerome Powell. He don't got nothing on me when I'm trading DAX. Please, bro. Please, bro. What? Don't stop streaming. Nah. Things are just getting started, bro. Again, I'm telling you, there's some fucking massive things coming. Um, this year, you guys are gonna be like, what the fuck? Take all these trades again. You don't want all these trades. You want to be profitable. You need to be like you need to like a stream. It's trading rule. Yeah, Jocko's right. Like as soon as Jocko says that, 3 more likes. Fuck yeah, Jocko's the man. London sessions start by what time in New York? What? London sessions start by what time in New York? Like what time does London start in New York? 3 a.m. It's 12 a.m. for me right now. I'm on the West Coast. I'm a 3 hour difference from New York. So, 3 a.m. If that's what you're asking. I don't know. Guys still thinking sells, but yeah, bro, I'm the only real one out there. Thank you, G. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Fucking tired of waiting, man. Like, I don't have FOMO, but I just hate waiting. Which is weird because then, like, when it comes to Forex, like, I can wait 2 weeks and not take a trade. So, you're just coming down. I mean, if you guys, I want to know if anyone does buy GJ here. I think it actually looks good for buys. I'm just personally not going to get in. I don't think it's worth it. Yes, it's a nice like 1 to 3.5. Good capitalized, pretty good. But, you know, could get caught in what best trading friend besides Zuka. Oh yeah. Wait, what? Are you asking me a question? Like, are you asking me who's my best trading friend besides Zuka, my homie Vicente? One of my homies, one of my close homies. But Like in the industry, I don't know. I don't really talk to anyone. Like if like I've talked to Ollie before quite a bit. Like I don't really text anyone besides like Luca or like Cowboy for a little bit. Cowboy's cool. This price is slow as fuck today. See, fuck this. So tired. You know, someone was in here. I forgot who was saying Luca got 3K viewers. I saw that shit. Luca showed me the video he took. I did not believe it. I was like, what? Um, but he doesn't even know if they bought it or not. I was like, oh, hopefully they weren't, but pretty cool. Just enter GBT sales. What do you think? Um, I think sales could hit, but again, like I would not take a trade personally, but I'm not saying that's not valid because we could sell off into this area, you know. Dax needs to stop fucking around, sell off, make me a quick ban, and then just let me sleep, man. Two a.m. to what? The EU sells. Ooh, how's that going? London sessions start 2 a.m. to 12 a.m. That don't make sense. You mean 12 a.m. to 2 a.m.? Or what? I don't get you, Lala. Maybe you didn't word it right. What time do I wake up? It just depends. Like I've been waking up like I've been going to bed like at 2 or 3, just because of like streaming and trading, and just like I gotta do a little bit of work after um the stream. But then I'll still wake up like at 8, 9, latest 10. Go wake up, go work out, go hit cardio. I have to do a day in the life. Cali's 12. Yeah, Cali is 12 for London Open. Dempsey came over it. This guy. Nah, Dempsey, it's good. Just make sure you track it, man. If you take a loss, but you might be in a longer term trade, so you may be good when it comes to going within drawdown. There's 35 people in here. We're waiting for a fucking trade. Nothing's happening. You guys can blame fucking Jer for having the slowest London Open I've seen all week. No, because I'm Cali, yeah. Sometimes trading times in Cali sucks, but California's fucking beautiful, man. Went in 1 hour in. Like you've been in it for 1 hour, you're took it on the 1 hour. I don't even know like when to call it and say like price ain't gonna do shit. I still think we have some room to catch some volume, but that London Open was just horrible. Yeah. I agree, Jocko. Oh my god. You're good. Just about money goes up. Yep. You're right, Jocko. If there's not a pretty big push of volume within these next 10 minutes, I'm fucking gone. I took it on the 1 hour. Okay. I could see that. Like we're within a good bearish leg here, but you just have to be careful if price is looking to facilitate a pullback, but that may not be the case. Like price could definitely sell off from here. Um, but we'll see what happens. Here's 30 sometimes, so US 30 is also good. US 30 at this time though. I've heard that. Like I've heard people trading US 30 at this time, and I assume it's still good. Like it still is moving, of course, but I wonder how good. I haven't like looked at it enough to kind of have an opinion on it. All right, kind of like the volume. Look, you want to go take a fucking piss, man, because I know price can take a while, but then I'm gonna walk away and come back and set up hit without, you know. If you guys are little fucking ICT traders, um, if price does end up pushing down, you can use this as like what inverse for buy gap. And I don't mean like anything bad at ICT traders. Probably came out wrong. I love you guys. I love all traders. This needs a lot of passion. A lot of passion. That's the key. Like in the way I talk. I'm tired. I got so tired right now. You don't understand. I'm so tired. Price is not doing what I wanted to. That's life, but damn. I really wanted to see it go bearish. If we break this high here, I'm gonna end stream, guys, and call it a no trade day. But I still think we have some potential. Yeah, is what worth it. Follow. I don't know what you're saying. Where am I from? From California, or from the U.S., California, SoCal, GPUSD. Yeah, SoCal, man. Fucking amazing out here. We broke higher here. We're still within this bullish leg, so I'm saying buys, but again, like it's gonna come down to like lower time frames. I wouldn't be entering off 4 hour, so I would wait for a change of, you know, character. So meaning price is now bullish on the lower time frames, and then from there, you know, come into some type of demand and then push up from there. But for me, it would be just a waiting game, to be 100% honest with you. All right, guys, we have some volume, so let's see what happens here. Let's see if we get that push. Oh, Nifty 50 analysis. Fuck is that? The Nifty 50. You might not remembering that terminology. That's fucked, guys. The Indian index? Nah, I ain't gonna trade all that. It's so fucking boring. Alright, guys. Like, 8 more minutes, and it should let us know if stream's done. I'm not gonna take a trade or it's so slow, man. Yeah, it is too slow, huh, Jocko? Yeah, do because that's good too. Yeah, I trade GBP JPY. Get some rest, bro. Yeah, honestly, I probably should. Probably should. Probably calling it no trade, guys. I'm gonna let this 5 minute close. We'll really see what this 5 minute does. We don't print with a bearish close here, where we break these last two candle wicks, then it's gonna call it. Had a banger fucking week. I think I called like 3 or 4 W's, right? So I could not be streaming all week next week, Sunday, or it's Sunday going into Monday, Monday going into Tuesday, so on, so on. You guys get it. But BTC analysis, I don't even know what the fuck to analyze on BTC because I don't trade it or study it. So I don't think I don't want to give an opinion on that. Then maybe just off the fucking walls. But I'm tired as fuck. I gotta wake up early too, and I gotta get some more work done now either way. So I'll catch you guys next week for hopefully some more W's. No trade day unless prices come down, but not a lot of volume, so it's not worth it. We'll see. But catch you guys. Peace and appreciate all the love.